Okay, right. In this lecture, today we'll discuss about yeah, first example CH3, CH, CH3, CH3 and CH, CH2, CH. Here is also another CH3. Okay. So friends, in this example, this is the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. This is longest chain. Other than longest chain, all are side chains. There are three side chains are here. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. Three side chains. And this side chain is near from left side. That's why we have to start numbering from this carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Right. Total 6 carbon atoms and 3 side chains. Out of 3 side chains, one side chain is attached to second carbon atom, one attached to third carbon atom, and another attached to fourth carbon atom. Indicate these numbers 2, 3, and 4. Right. 2, 3, 4. 2 for this side chain, 3 for this side chain, and 4 for this side chain. Okay. 2, 3, 4. And we know if two side chains are there, then we have to use prefix di. Similarly, if three side chains are there, then we have to prefix tri. Okay, write down tri. Tri, not y. Right. 2, 3, 4, tri. Name of side chain is methyl. That's why methyl. Total 6 carbon atoms are there. That's why hexane. Okay. 2, 3, 4 trimethyl hexane. Yes, Shreyas and Aditya, your answers are correct. Okay, next. Next one. CH3. Yeah, CH3, CH2, CH2, and CH3. Okay, see this example. CH3 is here. Now apply the rules. First rule, select the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is longest chain. Okay. Then start the numbering from that side which is nearest to the side chain. In this example, side chain is near from right side. That's why this is more favorable way for numbering instead of this. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Total 7 carbon atoms are there and 3 similar side chains. Methyl, methyl, methyl. Right. Out of 3 side chains, 2 side chains are attached to second and third carbon atom, while third side chain is attached to fifth carbon atom. Indicate all numbers 2, 3, and 5. 2 for this side chain, 3 for this side chain, and 5 for this side chain. Okay. 2, 3, 5, tri. 3 side chains are there. That's why tri. Name of side chain is methyl. That's why methyl. Total 7 carbon atoms are there. And we know the parent alkene of 7 carbon atom, that is heptane. Okay. 2, 3, 5. Trimethyl heptane. Good. Roshan. Roshan, your answer is correct. Then Chandrasekhar. Then Shreyas Patil, Aditya. Right. Rahul. Good, good. Your answers are correct. Then next, third one. CH3, CH2, तुम बताओ आप मुझे। हाँ, टेल मी नेम ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड। रूल अप्लाई करो। फास्ट। 2 3 4 ट्राइमिथिल हेक्सेन, नहीं हेक्सेन। हम्म अब देखो इसमें क्या है। इन दिस एग्जांपल total 6 carbon atoms are there. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, but side chain is near from right side, not from left side. That's why we have to start numbering from this carbon atom. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, right? Total 6 carbon atoms are present in this compound, and we know the parent alkane of 6 carbon atom, that is hexane, and 3 side chains are there. Side chains are attached to second, third, and fourth carbon atom. 2 3 4 trimethyl hexane due to 6 carbon atoms. Okay, next, fourth one, CH3 CH2 CH3 CH3 CH2, then CH3 CH3. Okay, now in this example there are 3 side chains, right? But out of 3 side chains, 2 side chains are attached to same carbon atom. 2 side chains are attached to only one carbon atom, right? And one side chain, it is isolated. It is attached to different carbon atom. Okay, so we have to start numbering from this carbon because side chain is near from right side. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 6 carbon atoms are there. Indicate this number because methyl group is attached to second carbon atom, right? 2. But what about this, right? In this example, 2 methyl groups are attached to only one carbon atom, that is fourth carbon atom. That's why four number indicate twice, right? It means that 4 comma 4, 4 for this side chain and another 4 for this side chain. Okay, 2 4 4 means one methyl group is attached to second carbon atom and two methyl groups are attached to fourth carbon atom, right? 2 4 4 trimethyl hexane. Okay, next one. Apply the rules and tell me the nomenclature. Two side chains are attached to same carbon atom and these are near from right side. That's why 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Second number indicate twice, 2 for this side chain, 2 for this side chain, and 4. It means that 2 comma 2 comma 4 trimethyl hexane. Okay, yes, good, Akshay. Your answer is correct, Chandrasekhar. Then, okay, next. Next one. Okay. Right. See this structure. In this structure, there are seven carbon atoms, right? And three side chains. Out of three side chains, two side chains are attached to same carbon atom. Another side chain is attached to different carbon atom, right? These two side chains are near from this side. That's why we have to start numbering from right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Right. Total 7 carbon atoms, and two side chains are attached to third carbon atom. That's why 3, 3, comma 4. One side chain is attached to fourth carbon atom. 4. Trimethyl. Name of side chain is methyl. Total 7 carbon atoms are there, and we know the parent alkyne of 7 carbon atom, that is heptane. That's why the final IUPAC name of this compound is 3,3,4 trimethyl heptane. Okay. 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 So friends, any doubt in this nomenclature? If you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Okay. You can ask me with audio, or you can comment in comment box. Okay. Next, let's start next part. कितने हो गए टोटल? 6. देखो 7. अब पहले जो हमने देखा उसमें क्या है, एक मिनट। अभी जो हमने 6 एग्जांपल स्टडी किए उसमें सेम साइड चेन है, राइट? सिमिलर मिथिल मिथिल मिथिल, बट हम अब जो स्टडी करने वाले हैं उसमें डिफरेंट साइड चेन है। इथिल है, मिथिल है, 2 मिथिल 1 इथिल, नहीं तो 2 मिथिल 1 इथिल, नहीं तो 1 इथिल 2 मिथिल, 2 इथिल 1 मिथिल, ऐसा देखने का अभी देखो। और 3 इथिल, ये 3 टाइप के नॉमेनक्लेचर है। CH3 CH2, इथिल साइड चेन सेकंड कार्बन आइटम को अटैच नहीं करने की। C2H5, वो क्यों नहीं करने की मैं बताता आपको बाद में। Okay, see the compound, apply the rules, and predict the IUPAC nomenclature for this compound. Okay. Ethyl group is near from left side. That's why we have to start numbering from this carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Total 8 carbon atoms are present in this compound, and 3 similar side chains that are ethyl or ethyl. Okay. Out of 3 side chains, these side chains are attached to parent chain with sequence, in the sequence 3, 4, and 5, right? That's why I indicate these numbers: 3 for this side chain, 4 for this side chain, 5 for this side chain. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 3 side chains are there. That's why try, and name of side chain is ethyl or ethyl. Okay, Total 8 carbon atoms are there, and we know the parent alkene of 8 carbon atom, that is octane. Hence, final name of this compound is 3,4,5 triethyl octane. Okay. Then next, CH3, CH2, C, C2H5, C2H5, CH2, C2H5, CH2 and CH2. Who will tell me name of this compound? बोलो 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 जल्दी. थ्री थ्री फाइव ट्राइथिल. ओके. अब देखो इसमें क्या है, तो अब इसमें दो साइड चेन्स दिस कार्बन आइटम को अटैच है, and that is third to third from left side, and this is also third from left side, but side chains are more, that's why this is more favorable way. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. देखो इस साइड से साइड चेन थर्ड कार्बन आइटम को अटैच है, मगर इस साइड से भी थर्ड कार्बन आइटम को अटैच है, मगर यहाँ दो साइड चेन्स है, टू साइड चेन्स आर देयर, दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज मोर फेवरेबल वे फॉर नंबरिंग इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस. ओके. 3 comma 3, then 5 also. 3 comma 3, 3 comma 3, 5 triethyl, 7 carbon atom, that's why heptane. Okay. Next one. अब देखो फुल कंसंट्रेशन देखे, अटेंड करो लेक्चर. अब देखो क्या है इसमें. इन दिस एग्जांपल, why 5 is there? Okay, this is your question. See this compound, total 7 carbon atoms, right? And we have to start numbering from this side, because two side chains are near from this side, and from this side only one side chain is near. Okay, that's why we have to start numbering from this carbon atom. 1 2 3 4 and 5 6 7, right? Out of three side chains, two side chains are attached to same carbon atom, that is third carbon atom, and another side chain is attached to different carbon atom, right? That's why we have to indicate 3 number twice. 3 3 two times, then 5, then triethyl heptane. Okay. Okay, मिल गया आंसर. नेक्स्ट इसका देखो. In this example, three side chains are there, but out of three side chains, two side chains are similar side chains, that are methyl, and another is different, that is ethyl, right? Side chains are near from this side, that's why we have to start numbering from this carbon atom. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Total 6 carbon atoms are there. Two methyl side chains are attached to second and third carbon atom, and ethyl side chain is attached to fourth carbon atom. Okay, use alphabetical order. ethyl and methyl, right? मैंने आपको कल इसके बारे में डिटेल में बताया है. ethyl and methyl and ethyl, अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर अगर यूज करने की है तो E comes before M in alphabet. E of ethyl comes before M of methyl in alphabets. That's why we have to write ethyl first, एंड देन मिथिल। ओके, पहले इथिल लिखने का और बाद में मिथिल। ठीक है, नंबर कौन सा भी हो, सेकंड, थर्ड या फोर्थ। अब इन दिस एग्जांपल ethyl group is attached to fourth carbon atom, indicate 4, write down ethyl, 4 ethyl. Then two side chains are attached to second and third carbon atom, then place the hyphen and write down numbers 2 comma 3 dimethyl, 2 comma 3 dimethyl, total 6 carbon atom, that's why hexane। okay, अब देखो अल्फाबेट ऑर्डर यूज करने की, ई और यम ये डी कंसिडर नहीं करने का, दैट इज द प्रीफिक्स। डाई, दिस इज नॉट अ नेम ऑफ साइड चेन, नेम ऑफ साइड चेन इज मिथिल, यम इज important, राइट, डोंट कंसिडर डाई। ओके, ये डाई को कंसिडर नहीं करने का, अगर वैसा होता तो फिर डाई मिथिल पहले आता और बाद में इथिल। ओके, तो नहीं है। नेक्स्ट, CH3 CH2 CH3 C2H5 CH3 and CH3। okay, see this question. Side chain is near from right side, that's why 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. In this example total 6 carbon atoms are there, out of 6 out of and 3 side chains are there। okay, 6 carbon atoms and 3 side chains, out of 3 side chains 2 side chains are similar, that are methyl and which are attached to second and fourth carbon atom, while third side chain is different, that is ethyl which is attached to third carbon atom, indicate numbers, apply the rules and predict the nomenclature। okay, you have 1 minute, tell me the answer। 2,4 dimethyl 3 ethyl, no, what is the rule of alphabet? अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर यूज करो ना, अल्फाबेट का रूल यूज करो ना। ठीक है, क्या किया हमने, 2,4 डाइमिथिल, तो इथिल पहले लिखो। ओके, राइट डाउन फर्स्टली इथिल ड्यू टू अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर एंड देन मिथिल, ये मैं बार बार बता रहा हूँ आपको, डोंट फॉरगेट दिस, read the rule properly। I have given 5 rules in previous lecture, in first lecture। okay, first 3 rules are very important। अगर आप अपने फर्स्ट रूल अगर अप्लाई नहीं किया करेक्ट, तो आके बाकी के रूल अप्लाई करके कुछ फायदा नहीं, इसलिए फर्स्ट सेकंड एंड थर्ड ये रूल आपको अप्लाई करने पड़ेंगे with full concentration। yes, Shreyas, your answer is correct, then 3 till 2 4 dimension। okay, then Chandrasekhar, your answer is also correct, Ritesh is also correct, Aditya is also correct। नहीं, आदित्य का गड़बड़ हो गया कुछ तो भी। ओके, इथिल पहले लिखना चाहिए था। और सी द स्पेलिंग, 3 ethyl 2 4 dimethyl hexane। okay, okay, Aditya, now your answer is correct। okay, 3 ethyl 3 ethyl 2 4 dimethyl 2 4 dimethyl 3 ethyl 2 4 dimethyl, total 6 carbon atoms are there and we know the parent alkene of 6 carbon atom, that is hexane। hence correct IUPAC name of this compound is 3 ethyl 2 4 dimethyl hexane। इथिल, एल के बाद ई अटैच नहीं करने का। अब ये 11th में आप क्या करो, सब स्पेलिंग करेक्ट, स्पेलिंग पर ध्यान रखो। गलती नहीं होनी चाहिए। नेक्स्ट, Okay, right. This is the compound. I think compound containing 7 carbon atoms and 3 side chains are there. Okay, out of 3 side chains, 2 are similar and 1 is different. Similar side chains are methyl side chains and different one is ethyl. Okay, so apply the first rule, that is select the longest chain. There is no doubt this is the longest chain, right? Apply the second rule, that is the carbon atoms are number from that side which is nearest to the side chain. In this example, side chain is near from this side. It means that from right side. Okay, that's why this carbon is first carbon, second, third, then 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Total 8 carbon atoms are there, right? अब देखो साइड चेन में क्या है, तो साइड चेन थर्ड फोर्थ और फिफ्थ को अटैच है. ओके, एंड थर्ड फोर्थ को सेम सिमिलर है और फिफ्थ को डिफरेंट है. ड्यू टू अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर, राइट डाउन 5 ethyl first, ethyl, then 3, 4 dimethyl. Total 8 carbon atoms are there, that's why octane. So final IUPAC name of this compound is 5-ethyl 3,4-dimethyl octane. Yes, Shreyash. Yes, absolutely correct. Hmm? Next, last one, and then I will send you screenshot. Just 1 minute. अब देखो ऐसा हो सकता है 2 इथिल 1 मिथिल, राइट? ऐसा भी हो सकता है. अब तक हमने कौन से एग्जांपल देखे? 2 मिथिल 1 इथिल, राइट? 2 मिथिल 1 इथिल. अब क्या करने का? 2 इथिल और 1 मिथिल ग्रुप. एक मिनट. C2H5. This is also C2H5. Okay. And CH3. You have 0.5 minute. 0.5 minute means half minute. I am waiting. Tell me the answer. जल्दी. अब गलत नहीं होना चाहिए. हाँ, हो गया गलत. रोशन, क्या प्रॉब्लम है अब इसमें? ठीक है. हाँ, करेक्ट करेक्ट करो. रितेश 3,4-डाइथिल. रितेश का क्या है? 3,4-डाइथिल 2 मिथिल. यस 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 यस. 3,4-डाई. डाई शुड बी यूज. श्रेयस, योर आंसर इज करेक्ट. डाई यूज करो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 एंड 7. 3, 4. अब इसमें क्या है देखो, 3 साइड चेन्स आर देयर. आउट ऑफ 3 साइड चेन्स 2 आर सिमिलर, दैट आर ethyl side chains which are attached to third and fourth carbon atom, right? And then 2 methyl. तो indicate करो 3, 4 diethyl, then 2 methyl, right? methyl बाद में indicate करने का, because of alphabetical order. 6 carbon atoms are there, that's why heptane. Okay, 3,4-diethyl 2-methyl heptane. This is the correct nomenclature of this compound. अब देखो इसमें अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो कमेंट करो. आई विल गिव यू आंसर्स. अगर इसके बारे में ये दो पेजेस हो गए अपने अभी, तो इसमें अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो आप पूछ सकते हो. ठीक है, अगर कुछ एक रूल समझ में नहीं आया तो जस्ट 1 मिनट. एक मिनट, अभी मैं स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहा हूँ। ओके,